What's up, you guys?
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. As you guys know, today's the day before Thanksgiving, but when this vlog goes out, it is Thanksgiving Day. Thanksgiving is all about just showing your gratitude, showing your appreciation, showing your love for one another, and we're grateful for each and every one of you. You guys may notice something pretty amazing behind us. We are opening up today's video in a very special place. If you saw yesterday's video, we talked about how we are doing a little mini Florida road trip Thanksgiving in honor of our sweet Papa.
And what thing did my dad love the absolute most? Our lighthouses. In fact, the last time that he came out here, the number one thing that he said he wanted to see while he was in Florida with us was this lighthouse. That was number one on his list.
Yes, you guys, and we were trying to think, I think the last time we were here was when he was here visiting us.
Yeah.
So this place definitely holds a special place in our hearts. As many of you guys know, we refer to Sweet Papa as a lighthouse in our life. He was just always shining. He was such a light to everyone around him. So many of you guys say that you can just feel his love through our videos. So we're so grateful for that. It is set on the most beautiful blue water, you guys. Today is absolutely gorgeous. The water is so calm. The sun is shining, hardly any clouds in the sky.
And best of all, we got our little finners with us.
So this is our first stop on our road trip here in Florida.
And we seriously could not be more excited to share this with all of you. And Pops, we love you, man. We miss you like crazy, but we feel you here with us. This right here, you guys, is the lighthouse keeper's home for when this lighthouse was originally built. And this home now forever hold a special place in my heart, because when we came here last, it was actually with my parents. And my mom and dad sat in these chairs right here, rocked back and forth, made a lot of little jokes, which was just so funny and tender. And anyway, I know, yeah, so then. But now looking back, just holds such a special place in my heart, like I said. And I went and rocked on those same chairs earlier, and it was just so much fun. It's just a cool way to remember my dad.
You guys, it was interesting. As we were driving here, we were just talking about how it's so neat that even though we're clear across the country here in Florida, we are in a place that Sweet Doug absolutely loves. He came here for business all the time. He designed marinas. We actually passed one of the restaurants. We went there last time his parents were here, the Rusty Pelican, that he visited many, many times. And we think it's just really cool that we're able to be in places like this that remind us of him. We can't even tell you how many different things lighthouse related we have received from all of you guys, just saying what a lighthouse Doug was in all of our lives.
Seriously, so, and he truly is us and every single one of us in our family. And yeah, Pops, thank you for everything. We love you.
If you come to Florida, I would definitely put Key Biscayne on your list. I mean, not only is there the lighthouse here, this is a state park. There's actually a beautiful beach. You can actually rent bikes just to take around the park. It's just very serene and really unique, I feel like, to Florida. And you can also go in the lighthouse. They actually just closed it off, but people were up here when we first got here. It's only open certain times and certain days, so make sure you check before you come. But we got to go up at one time when Brandon and his family came here, and that was really awesome.
But I would say the most iconic part of this lighthouse is this pathway that leads to the lighthouse.
It's this tree-lined pathway with palm trees, these giant palm trees, and then at the end you see the beautiful lighthouse right here. It's just so iconic.
I know, so the last
so
time
beautiful.
We were here, it was with my parents, and seeing my dad come down here skipping away.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
I just love it.
We've had our moments, but right now I at least feel peaceful. It's really neat to be back here.
It is really cool.
Feel close to Papa. We know he's just smiling down on all of us. We were actually talking how we're all spread out throughout the world today. And a big thing Papa loved was to travel the world.
Yeah, seriously.
And so it's pretty cool that all of his kids, his wife, are all throughout the world remembering him, honoring him, and it's just pretty special.
just had the rare opportunity of having about 5 uninterrupted minutes of having this whole spot completely to ourselves. So we decided to take the time to reflect back on my dad, some core memories of ours of him, and even some of our favorite memories and favorite attributes of him. And it was just such an incredible thing. We both got a little teary, but
that's why we're wearing sunglasses, you guys, and already fogged up.
It was a pretty spectacular place. And you know, one thing that Brittany said that I thought was really cool is that the lighthouse is a pillar, and my dad was such a pillar figure in all of our lives.
Yeah.
And
so strong, like,
oh yes,
just weathered the storms, like,
yeah.
He was incredible. We can't think of a better stop on our little road trip than that lighthouse. You guys come see it if you ever come to Florida. It is worth your time. It is absolutely beautiful. So now we are going to head back in the car, but we do have a little surprise for you guys. We have hotel credit that we are using for our few nights stay where we are going. Started to think it would kind of be fun if we rented a convertible for this trip, because a lot of the road trip is going to be surrounded just by beautiful places, the water, the sun. The weather is absolutely amazing this time of year here in Florida. So we may have rented that little Mustang right there, you guys, which we are so excited about.
The one thing about my dad is that he absolutely loved cars, and I actually grew up going to car shows with him.
Yes.
And so the Mustang is something that we love together, and so it just makes perfect sense for us to have gotten it today.
Who's ready for a Florida road trip?
Oh my gosh, you guys, we are so excited. We're about to put the top down for the first time. What button is it?
I think it's that one. Let's see.
Let's see.
Ooh.
Look at him, he's like, what is going on right now?
Where'd it go, dude?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
You guys, this is gonna be so fun. We're gonna be able to take in all the beautiful views. Look at him, he's already so excited.
He's stoked.
Oh my goodness, so I'm sure you're wondering where we are headed. We're not gonna give that away right now. I mean, you'll find out in the video today.
You'll find out very soon.
But we got our road trip snacks in the back. We got our drinks. We got Finn's water and food as well. He's ready to roll. Okay, we had to pull over really quick because my hair was blowing everywhere and I needed to put it in a ponytail. Jared actually had to get something out of the trunk too. Oh my gosh, you guys, Finn is loving it. He has like a permanent little smile on his face. He just like keeps looking all around because, you know, usually in a car, he doesn't see much except right out the window. So he is loving this. It's gonna be so fun.
Well guys, we're on the freeway right now, near the airport. In the background, you might be able to see a little bit of Miami. So you guys probably have noticed, we're going down south right now. We're heading down south. We're actually heading down towards the Keys. But, where we're going, we have never taken you guys before. Ever.
We have never been to this place, you guys, since we moved to Florida. Jared and I have been to this place one other time together, but then he has actually done a family road trip to this place back in the day.
Yep, you guys, we did a family road trip, and ironically, it took us so long to get there because we had to deal with so much traffic, so many crashes, and ironically, we're getting a little bit of that right now.
Going on vacation and I can hardly wait. It's gonna be amazing, and there's the ocean. What? That is so cool. We have officially made it to the Florida Keys, you guys. As you guys know, we usually go to Isla Mirada. We have taken you guys there many times before. If you guys are new to our channel, have never seen those before, you actually just search on YouTube Jared and Britt Isla Mirada or Jared and Britt Alligator Reef, and there will be a lot of videos there. But the Florida Keys are made up of tons of little tiny islands.
We're about to cross over the first bridge, you guys. We're so excited to show you these bridges that go over the ocean, and a long stretch of it, there is water on both sides of you, and it's so beautiful. I think we're gonna pull over either at the end of Key Largo or Isla Mirada to show you the beautiful sunset, and there we will tell you where we are going.
Key Largo, Montego, Bay, why don't we you go. Look how beautiful it is right here. Oh my gosh, the water is so still. We love it here. It is seriously like our happy place.
It is so green, you guys. This just reminds us of Papa Bingham. Seriously, he loves the water. He loves the green. It's just him. It's everywhere. It's so amazing. Got out of the car, we pulled over to the side of the road to film the sunset.
Oh my gosh, and tell you guys where we are going.
Yes, you guys, so as you can, probably a lot of you guys guessed, we're in the Keys right now. We're actually in Isla Morada. We are right where we go with Captain Mark.
Literally right there.
Yeah, it's right there because this is the one place we know we can capture the sunset.
Yeah.
It's absolutely gorgeous. But we are headed to Key West, Florida, everyone.
Guys, we could not be more excited for this.
Oh my gosh, we are so excited.
I did a road trip with my family here. It was so much fun. I did it as a kid. So to relive it, oh my gosh, it's gonna be so much fun.
It's gonna be so fun, you guys. And we've only been to Key West together once for one day.
Yeah.
And so we really have so much to explore. We cannot wait to spend a couple days there with all of you. Many of you guys have actually probably been here because a lot of you have gone with Captain Mark out to Alligator Reef. So you're probably thinking, I've been there.
But this place is just beautiful. It's literally on the water. Look at that. And the sunset's about to go down. I gotta take the drone up.
They're playing live music over here right now.
Playing live country music. I just swear, down here in the Keys, guys, it's just a different vibe down here. It's like just Caribbean laid back lifestyle.
It is so
cool.
Oh my gosh, I can't take my eyes off it, guys. These next couple days are gonna be so much fun.
Oh, they're gonna be awesome.
I always wish we could have brought Papa here to Alligator Lighthouse. If the weather was bad when he did come, so we couldn't take him there, but I know, I mean, he has the best view of all the lighthouses. Seriously. He was definitely with us when we took Mana Joe out last year. For sure. But I think we're gonna go ahead. We got to jump back in the car. We still have about a 2-hour drive. It's gonna get dark, so we wanted to pull over, stop, talk, show you the beautiful sunset.
Oh, it's so cool to see all the Keys, the islands in the background. It's just amazing.
It's awesome. Out here right now.
So cool. We just went over a 7-mile bridge, which was awesome.
Yes.
Long stretch of bridge. It's literally 7 miles long.
7 miles. So don't worry, we will show you that drive in the day on the way home. But the other thing we were talking about are the names of the keys are so interesting. There was an Ohio key and a Missouri key. Like, we had no idea. They're just these tiny little keys all along here. There's tons of them, way more than you would expect. Most of the keys though, you guys, are just these tiny little towns. There's little places here and there. Marathon was pretty big for sure. I forgot how big Marathon Key was. That was pretty big. I bet that would be a really fun place to go and stay. We are also driving through a part of the Keys, you guys, that have deer.
One cool thing is that these types of deer are only found here apparently.
Yeah. And also, you guys, what's also cool is how amazing we're vlogging literally in the car. Hopefully you can hear as well. I think you can because we're all like, the mic's protected from the windshield, but then you look up and it's just the night sky behind us.
Yeah.
Everything's alright with the violet sky on my skin. Ooh, baby, I feel high with the...
We made it!
Here, you guys. We just checked into our beautiful hotel.
Yeah, this place is amazing. We'll have to do like a full-on room tour tomorrow.
Yes, you guys, it is late.
Cool. Yeah,
we are exhausted. We'll tell you all the hotel details and all of that tomorrow. We actually just stopped by Taco Bell, you guys, and picked up dinner.
Like the first time we had Taco Bell in Florida.
There's not one near us. We never have it, so it's kind of a treat. But we made it. We are so excited, you guys. On the way down, we are reading a lot of your guys' comments.
Oh my goodness, you guys are amazing. Seriously, thank you so much for reading all those comments.
Yes, and so many of you guys are dealing with the same thing we are, or have dealt with the same thing we are. with losing a loved one, especially around the holidays. So our hearts go out to all of you. We just love you guys so much. We are so excited to celebrate Thanksgiving tomorrow. We have so much to be grateful for, not only from our family, but all of you and so much more. So make sure you come back tomorrow, you guys. We hope you have all had an amazing, amazing day. We love you so much, and we will see you all next time.
See you guys. Love you. Bye.
Bye.